The holidays are upon us, and while many celebrate with festive spirits, it's important to be a responsible host and remember to offer non-alcoholic options as well. Incorporate the same level of care when planning these selections. If offering stemware and cut fruit to guests who are drinking champagne and mixed cocktails, be sure to offer the equivalent to guests who prefer sparkling water or a fruity mocktail. Think beyond water and seltzer. Non-alcoholic beers and spirits can be served alongside mocktails like these festive options. Cosmopolitan cocktail. Add Seedlip Grove 42, cranberry juice, lime juice, and simple syrup in a cocktail shaker with ice. Shake and strain into a glass and garnish with an orange peel. Berry Little Christmas. Muddle pomegranate seeds and cranberries together. Add cranberry sparkling water and pomegranate juice. Garnish with rosemary. Cheers! To learn more, visit bigY.com.